Alright you guys, welcome back to another video. Today we've got 24 packs of Paradise Dragona, almost a full booster box, and then a Disney Lorcana into the Inklings box. So we'll save the Pokemon for the end, start off with this. Little backstory on this actually. I've had this box for about a year. When it came out, it was going for $180 to $200, but the price of this has gone down about $5 each month, so it's come down to about $120 right now. So I would rather open it, take a gamble, see if I make more money off the cards. So that's what we're doing. Had it for almost a year, pretty long time. It'll be interesting to see what I've been holding on to in this box for all that time. I'm pretty confident now with the box of being only 120 bucks. I can probably make more money off the singles by opening everything. So we'll see if that actually happens here. Probably won't have any crazy reactions for these cards. I don't know much about Lorcana, I don't care about it. Pokemon's my thing. But honestly, I was looking at the cards in the set, and there's a good 10 or 20 of them that are all in that $50 to $100 range. And I think at least 10 of them are well over $100. So we get 24 packs here, and hopefully we make our money back. This is my first time opening Lorcana. Never done it before. So I don't know where the rares are or anything. Seems like it might be just at the back. So there's a holo. Don't know if that's anything. I'll just separate holo, what I think is the pull. All I'm hoping is I get one of the 10 cards that are over $100, and
you know what you're looking for?
Not really. I was
if you get it, you won't even know.
I was looking at the cards in the set, and like some of them are sideways, it seems, and some of those had value. Something like this, a sideway looking card, whatever that might be. But this one, that one's not anything. That's a common one, obviously, or not obviously, as far as I know. Hollow. Yeah, I don't know, maybe you get a holo in every set or every pack on top of that. Son of Row and a Mr. Smee. Seems like you are guaranteed a holo in every pack, so at the end I'll just add up all the commons, all the singles, add up all the holos, and hopefully Jafar, maybe that one's worth a couple. No, I don't have either of those at the moment.
Nope.
Sorry.
This will be a good test for my immune system being around you. It's a challenge. Looks like there's a holo in every one.
Yeah, holo in every one.
So what's special then? How do you even know?
Some of them hold value, some of them don't. It's just like Pokemon.
Characters.
Just like Pokemon, they could look similar. One might be $1, one might be 100. Who knows? Probably won't do it in this video, but I'll look everything up later and then in another video I'll probably mention whether I made money or not off of this box. Got a Minnie Mouse, that's cool. Ideally, I would like to sell all the singles as one collection. I'm not gonna like make a binder and like try and individually price them all. Hopefully I can just find a buyer for all these singles in one shot. And hopefully we pull something worth value. Dive bomb.
That's less exciting because you don't know what the fuck you're pulling. You're just pulling stuff and it's like, yeah, here's cards. Yeah, here's cards. Yeah, cards.
I think if we got something, I would kind of know, but I don't think we've got something so far. Hey, Megan is here.
You know the Reggie Rock that you said was really damaged?
Yeah.
I think I got a second one, and it's in better condition.
Oh my God, the same one?
I'm fairly sure. I didn't get a chance to compare them, but I found another Reggie Rock EX.
Cool.
Let me find it in here.
Or opening some Disney packs and some Pokemon right now, but I will definitely, yeah, well, no, we'll, you're out of frame, you're good, you're out of frame, but we're gonna, yeah, this will take probably 10 minutes. Yeah, I guess we'll cut it off after the Disney, and then we'll do the part 2 for the Paradise Dragona. Captain Amelia. Not anything crazy, not that one, but
Yeah, it's got about 10,000 on there. Yeah, right up 3
Donation
PSP,
button.
PlayStation, all the arcade console, and I'll do the PC computer game. Got a solid state hard drive loaded underneath the dash there, Samsung, so it's nice and fast.
heard you guys were at a show yesterday.
Yes.
Was it good?
It was very good. It was the International Women's Day lunch.
You have to keep in mind
Right.
it's 64. Yeah, the controls will be the. You don't need if you want to properly play like Whole Night for like Mario Kart will work fine.
I heard you guys raised like 80 grand, all in all. That's wonderful, honestly.
But it's got Bluetooth. USB
Wish we could do
ports,
something like that in this hobby.
Right?
Can I like load on other ROMs on YouTube?
Wildcat.
Alright,
Alright, you guys, we've got about,
ROMs that you convert to a special UCE file.
I think, 8 more packs
And you can load it onto the drive. And
after this.
but it's already pretty complete. Yeah. But there may be some obscure Japanese title that's not on there. Yeah, but that's pretty much everything. Yeah. I haven't come to that bridge.
Don't think we've gotten anything crazy yet, unfortunately.
I can add or subtract packages. Right. What's on those packages?
Hopefully the singles will net me over $100 or make me over $100. Cause manure, that might be something.
So you can use the button, is that in the Y, not Z, it's like change that, you can skip the letter. Yeah, and you get with the Y button there, saves the favorites.
Jim Hawkins.
And first aid.
Hit Cloud Kicker.
You gotta wait, man. You gotta wait through the they want to tell you who made that game, right?
Boss is on a roll.
Oh my goodness, I haven't played this in years. I like how they have the custom.
Bezels, yeah. I like to remove them because if you're gonna have a widescreen, you're cutting it off back to 4:30.
Yeah.
I mean, that is the standard resolution for that, the aspect ratio, but honestly, an 18 screen, I want to make it one more.
Patrick
Take it off.
Broom. You guys, we got 3 left. I don't know. I don't know if we pulled anything or not, so I'll let you know in the update.
Well, I believe it did that. They're all programmed.
Okay.
So it would just be which one. I don't know the exact one. Probably the Z and the C button.
Little piglet. Cool. Cool little guy right there.
I'm playing the Rebirth right now.
Yeah, I don't have a lot of video games on my list.
I just do it a little bit. It's not working. I just play a little bit. But yeah, I had to go back to it. It just like brings me back. I used to play that game non-stop when I first came out.
Oh yeah, I'm all about like the
Honestly, give it a shot before you go.
Oh, dear.
it looks amazing.
It is.
Alright, you guys,
It's a
final
little
pack.
daunting at times, just because there's such a story. They expanded it.
Let's hit the number 1 card of the set, whatever that may be.
That's my opinion on it. I'm not towards the end of the game, but it's worth it.
Yeah,
Absolutely, reliving that is just. And I still think there's one more game to come, but there's
Alright,
so
not sure if we
I don't
got
know
anything.
where the end's coming, I'm not gonna think about it.
We'll do an update.
That's not it.
Thank you for watching.
I got
Till
playing
next
on
time.
PC.